Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Finelo AI Trading Review and explaining how it works, what features it offers, and whether it's actually useful for beginners. Finelo is primarily an educational platform designed to help users learn about investing and trading. It includes courses, quizzes, a market simulator, an AI mentor, and an AI chart analyzer that can help users understand charts and market concepts. So, how does the AI trading part work? Finelo's AI trading bot monitors the market and looks for potential trade setups based on the strategy you select. When it finds a possible setup, it can provide information such as an entry price, stop loss, target, and the reasoning behind the setup. But here's something very important. The bot does not automatically place trades for you. You can also start with demo mode using virtual money, which allows you to practice without risking real funds. This can be especially useful if you're completely new to trading. Another interesting feature is the AI chart analyzer. You can upload a chart and the tool can analyze trends, patterns, and important price levels. So, is Finello worth trying? In my opinion, it can be useful for beginners who want to combine structured trading education with AI powered learning and analysis tools. However, you shouldn't treat its AI features as guaranteed trading signals or a way to make easy money. Trading always involves risk, and even a good looking setup can result in a loss. And that's it for today's. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,